What if electricity could flow through the air? Just like Wi-Fi. No wires, no plugs, just power. Everywhere. Welcome to another episode of The Introduction, where we explore the wonders of science, technology, and the future. Today, we're re-diving into one of the most fascinating innovations on the horizon: wireless electricity, how it works, where it's being used, and what possibilities lie ahead. Imagine a world where your phone charges without plugging in, your car powers itself just by driving down the road, and cities operate entirely free of wires hanging from poles or walls. This is not some science fiction dream. It is the promise of wireless electricity. It's also known as wireless power transmission, or WPT. At its core, wireless electricity is the transmission of electrical energy without the use of physical wires. A concept first seriously considered in the late 1800s by visionary inventor Nikola Tesla. He imagined a global wireless power system and even attempted it through the construction of the Wardenclyffe Tower, which, though never completed, laid the foundation for many modern-day advancements. Today, thanks to progress in electromagnetism, materials, science, and miniaturized electronics, wireless power is not just a dream. It is becoming a part of our reality. This technology relies on several core principles, the first of which is inductive coupling, where energy is transferred between two nearby coils through magnetic fields, the same principle powering many of today. Wireless phone chargers? A more efficient variant is resonant inductive coupling, which uses matched resonance frequencies to extend the transmission range up to a couple of meters. For longer distances, microwave transmission comes into play, converting electricity into microwave energy that can be transmitted through the air to remote receivers. Laser-based transmission pushes the limits further by using tightly focused beams of light to carry energy to distant photovoltaic panels. Although this requires precision alignment and safety protocols, the current real-world applications of wireless electricity are already impressive. Smartphones from leading brands like Apple and Samsung can charge wirelessly via pads. Electric vehicles in parts of South Korea and Europe recharge wirelessly while parked or even while driving, and industrial robots and drones are beginning to recharge themselves autonomously during operation. In the medical field, wireless power has revolutionized implants such as pacemakers, allowing them to be charged inside the body without the need for additional surgery. But these are only the early steps. Looking ahead, researchers at NASA, JAXA, and other institutions are working on space-based solar panels, capable of capturing sunlight and wirelessly transmitting power back to Earth using microwave or laser beams. Imagine space stations beaming energy down from orbit, and cityscapes free of poles and tangled wires, aesthetically cleaner and environmentally safer. Future cities may become wireless zones where any compatible device within a certain radius charges automatically. However, there are significant challenges ahead. One of the major limitations is energy loss over distance. As the distance between transmitter and receiver increases, efficiency drops rapidly. Additionally, systems using microwaves or lasers must be carefully designed to avoid accidental exposure to people or animals, which could be dangerous. Infrastructure costs are also a concern. Widespread deployment requires large-scale investment, specialized components, and integration with existing power grids. Despite these obstacles, the momentum is clear. Wireless electricity is progressing from experimental labs to consumer products and infrastructure-level solutions. It may not be everywhere yet, but its presence is growing in both subtle and dramatic ways. As this technology evolves, it could redefine how we think about energy, not just how we deliver it, but how we interact with it daily. Our streets, homes, offices, and vehicles may one day be seamlessly connected through invisible networks of power. No wires. No limitations. Just smart, efficient, clean energy delivered through the air. So the question is, are we ready to embrace a world where electricity flows like Wi-Fi, invisible, wireless, and always around us? What possibilities would that unlock for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if this episode sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to The Introduction for more thought-provoking documentaries on the future of our world.